Welcome to MMCC Connect News. I am Dhruvi Kabra presenting you the top news around the MMCC campus. The NAAC Peer Team was welcomed in a traditional way with the prayer ceremony, after which they planted saplings to promote greenery. While the team entered the campus, NCC cadets marched in their honor with faculties and administrative staff. MAJMC department held 4-day induction ceremony by inviting MMCC alumni Vasundhara Kashikar, Prathamesh Joshi and Siddharth Kedkar, who are all at honorable designations. Abhijit Atre, the Associate Resident Editor of Times of India, and Dr. Devidas Golhar, ex-principal, served as the chief guest at the ceremony.
The induction program, held from August 20 to August 23rd, began with Abhijit Atre, who is an Associate Resident Editor of Times of India, and Dr. Devidas Golhar, ex-principal. The second day featured alumni Siddharth Kedkar, Resident Editor of Lokasatta, who explored the evolution of news dissemination. On the third day, alumni Prathamesh Joshi, a political communication and digital media consultant, shared his journey from MMCC to success. The fourth day welcomed Vasundhara Kashikar, a freelancer, journalist, narrator, interviewer and translator who provided guidance on becoming an effective media anchor, outlining do's and don'ts.
An international short film festival named Mumba 2024 was volunteered by the students of MAJMC of MMCC College at National Film Archive of India in October. The crew of students was divided into 9 teams, which helped them learn the importance of time management, leadership and teamwork.
The festive crew of Mumba International Short Film Festivals 2024 was volunteered by the students of MMCC from the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. The students were divided into teams which included technical team, guest management team, visual, photography and videography team, hospitality team, feedback and interview team, help desk team, seating arrangement and coordination team, and film introduction assistant team. Mumba was a platform for short filmmakers who portrayed their unique piece of work, showcasing different subjects, diverse cultures and ideologies.
A workshop on photography was organized for the students of journalism in the month of October. Sandesh Bhandare taught the basics of photography and showcased his personal work and also provided insights on photojournalism. Ashish Muharir and Kedar Bajaj taught the basics of videography and provided practical sessions for students' interaction. The second edition of Pune Book Festival was started from 14th December, which was organized by the National Book Trust at the Ferguson College. The festival was inaugurated by CM Devendra Fadnavis. The event had over 600 bookstalls. On the eve of the festival, a Guinness World Record was achieved by creating the artwork of Goddess Saraswati using books. The students of MMCC participated in Savitribai Phule Pune University's community radio station Vidyavani 107 FM for a special talk event. All the teams completed their presentation in one take, which demonstrated their commitment to the studies at MMCC.
On 15th and 16th October, MMCC participated in a special radio talk event at Savitribai Phule University community radio station Vidyavani 107 FM, representing 4 teams from the MJMC, BSc Computer Science, BBA and BCom department. All the teams completed their presentations on one take.
A guest lecture was held for the students of MMCC given by the alumni Harshada Sahasrabuddhe, a former assistant producer, reporter and anchor for ABP Maza and now a full-time YouTuber. She taught about the challenges and advantages of digital journalism and helped in providing insights on the future of journalism. MMCC Connect is a monthly newsletter which is published by the students of journalism covering the stories from around the campus. It was started on 26th of January 2023 as an experimental newsletter and was continued after its success. The annual magazine of MMCC, Urmi, is also designed and published by the students of journalism. The Department of Mass Communication organized a study tour in Delhi where the students visited places like BBC Marathi News Studio, News Nation Studio Noida, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Sansad Bhavan.